Hello everyone and welcome back to Genie Crafts. It's been almost 12 days since my last video, so I thought to share this fun little video with you guys. Today we are going to make these English alphabets by using paper and just folding the paper. There is no knife involved, there is no cutting involved. You can make these springy letters just by folding them. And while I'll be showing only few letters, you can make all the alphabets using this method. To make any alphabet, you need to understand the turns and points within that alphabet. So for example, we'll start with A. When you make A, there are 3 turns, one at the top, one at the bottom, and one in the central line. So basically, you will need to fold paper along these points, and that's how when you'll unfold it, you will get your alphabet. For this paper art, you really need thin paper, preferably 50 GSM or even lower would be fine. The first fold would be for the top point of the alphabet A, which will also determine how tall your letter is going to be. Then we will fold the remaining part to ensure that both legs of the A are of the same height, and then we would need to reverse fold the remaining part so that we can get the center line of the A. Create the creases properly, and now it's time to create the spring structure in the letter. To do that, just like we used to create paper fans in the childhood, fold the paper alternatively so that it will create the spring structure. Now it's time to unfold it. To unfold, separate the layers carefully. It might be a little tricky at first, but it's actually not that difficult. Slowly create gap between the two layers. Once you have the gap created across the paper, then you can pull the two layers apart and start creating the structure for the alphabet, as you can see. Now half the work is done. It's time to pull out the reverse fold which we made earlier to create the center line of the A. Pull the reverse fold at least that much so that it overlaps with one of the sides, and then you can create a mishmash structure between the side and the center line so that it interlocks together. And with that, we have our first alphabet ready, and you can see the spring structure is in place because of the paper folds that we made earlier. And with this next paper, what we are going to do is that we are going to create 5 letters with one folding pattern only. The letters we are covering here are V, N, Z, M, and W. I have folding patterns for all the letters with me. If you guys are interested in knowing folding pattern for a particular letter, do let me know and I will happily share that with you. I hope you guys had as much fun making these letters as I did. If you guys liked the video, then please do not forget to hit the like, share and subscribe button. And I'll see you guys very soon in my next video. Till then, stay safe, take care and bye bye.